Good morning, students. Again, welcome back to class 12th for math exercise 4.2 properties. Properties of determinant. Determinants. Okay. So, first property number 1 for them. The value of determinant this delta denoted by delta remain unchanged if its rows and column are interchanged. If clear, so this determinant 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this change to row to column to row 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. Yes, okay. This is the first property. Second property, if two row or column, if two rows or column of a determinant delta are changed, then sign of determinant changed. Okay, suppose 1 5 6 7 already changed to two row. Okay, 3 5 4 1 5. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix. Change row to column. Okay, row this type. So minus this, suppose 3 row to interchange 4 1 5 and 4 1 5 and 5 6 7 and 4 change to 3 1 5. Take minus, and other row on change of column, interchange of column, to take minus outside the determinant. So minus plus. Okay, this is rule of the property number 3. Important property number 3. This is the important property. If any two rows or column, two rows and or column of determinant, okay, then elements are same, then the value of determinant is 0. Then determinant's value is 0. Same this type. 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 1 3 4. Okay, ready? No, suppose 4, this 5 and this is also 6. 4 5 6 4 5 6, or these are different, so two row common, r1 equal to r2, so determinant e equal to, okay, this. And this condition, same element of two row or two column, same row, same element of two row or two column are same, then determinant equal to 0. This is the third property. Property number 4. If each element of row, if each element of row or column of a determinant, okay, of determinant delta is multiply by a constant k, then the value of multiply by k get this, okay, only one row in each element, okay, each element of a row or column, each element of a row or a column, this k, this white, suppose k 1 a b c d e f g h I, only this multiply only one row ka, kb and kc, and same other element are same, okay, or equal abc same, kd, ke and kf, okay, or g h r I same, or so on. These are multiply in row or column. This, and property number 5 and 6, very important properties. Property 5, if sum or all, if sum or all, sum or all element of a row or column of a determinant, clear, are expressed as sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be expressed as sum of two or more determinants, clear. For example, this equal to a plus alpha, okay, a1 plus alpha, a2 plus beta, a3 plus gamma, and this b1, b2, b3, c1, c2 and c3. So change this type question, a1, b1 and c1, okay, and a2, b2 and c2, a3, b3 and c3, plus this plus, okay, minus to use minus plus, sorry, alpha, b1, c1, beta, b2, c2, gamma, b3 and c3, gamma, b3 and c3, this type. This form changed to this form is a property of 5. And property of 6. Sixth property, this k in the addition of a point, if to each element of any row or column of a determinant the equimultiples of corresponding elements of other row or column are added, then the value of determinant remain the same. Then the value of remain of same. Okay. This Kc, these are already changed in K alpha, K beta, K gamma. So already change this and take common K. Right. So using this no important formula, you just apply of a 5. This type A1 plus Ka Kc1, okay, Kc1, B1 and C1, A2 plus K C2, okay, A3 plus Kc3, and third element add in this B2 and C2, B3 and C3. Is equal to A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 and C3 plus this KA1 sorry KAC1 or KC2 and KC3, yeah, KC3, this type KC3, and other same element B1 C1, B2 C2 and B3 C3. Okay, apply by property number 5, main property 5. This is the one question. Okay, now let question exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Example, important example. Example number 14, important, 14, 15 and 16. This question asked in this year also in 6-mark question, 15, example 15, important question. You can solve an example of exercise 4.2, that is important. Then your must be this exercise also completed. But question number 1, solve one fair problem. Determinant x, y, z, a, b, c, x plus a, y plus b and z plus c, this equal to 0. Using property without expanding. Expanding means direct. Expanding means direct value of this a by g. So use property. This is a x y z a b c x a, this right, x y z. So use by 5 taking LHS. Determinant x y z a b c x plus a y plus b z plus c, this equal to x y z a b c x y z, okay, by property 5. X y the same, x a y b z c and a b and c, this a b c by property 5. So same equal x y z c1 and c2 are same element, okay, and this ABC and C2 and C3 same elements, the same elements of 2 row and 2 column, then determinant equal to 0. This property number 3, okay. So this same, so this 0 plus this 0 equal to 0. Proof by property 3. This is 3 now. Okay, by 3. Property 3. Next, question number 1 to 5 are same. 1 to 5 same. This type question using property without determinant. Then properties use and also find these questions. Okay. And question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are same. So let question number 7. 7 minus a square, ab and ac. Okay, ba minus b square, bc, ca, cb and minus c square equal to 4a square b square using properties. Okay, taking LHS minus a square, ab and ac, ba minus b square, bc, ca, cb minus c square. Okay, a square find क्या 4a square b square. तो taking a from a, this is side a, or taking r1, a from r1, b for r2 and c4 from r3 or c1 c2. You can c1 c2 a1 a, and this side b is common, c is also common. Taking right here, taking common a from r1, b from r2, c from r3. So a and b and c, this multiply, taking common outside of determinant. So this a common, a, and taking b common from this to multiply outside on b, a b. ठीक है, right, a तो minus a, b and this c. Taking common b from this row, b common, this b, and a remaining minus b and c also, and this change c common, तो a, b and minus c. Ready? Okay, again taking common from c1 a from common a from c1, b from b common and c2 from c2, c from c3. Now to multiply by outside the determinant, a b c dot a b c. This common minus 1 1, this 1 minus 1 1, or 1 1 minus 1. Okay, this equal to a square b square c square, and using property minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. Okay, and using again using the property, again this a square b square c square. Okay, and minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 or minus 1. This add this 1 0, or subtract 1 this and add this. Okay, 1 plus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, and this c1 c2, use c1 tends to c1 plus c2. This is a very simple, a square b square c square, determinant c1 c2, 1 plus 1 0, minus 1 1 0, 1 and 1 2, and this same 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. Okay, according along expanding along this, a column or row have more than zeros, is taking along expanding along to their column or row. So this have 2 0, so mostly change to 2 zeros and row or column, in row or column. So along this C1, expanding along C1. So 2 a square b square c square into 2 this are finished. This multiply right to left, 1 into 1 minus minus plus 1, 1 1 2 4 a square b square and c square, which is the RHS. Okay, let's see directly we solve question. And question number 8 and 9. Question number, now late question number 8. First part, 1 1 1 1 a square b square and c square. This equal to a minus b minus c and c minus a. That is taking LHS. 1 1 1 a b square b square and c square. Okay, find a minus b. So use a minus r1 minus r2 or r2 minus r3 by r1 tends to r1 minus r2 and r2 tends to r2 minus r3. Use this formula. Okay, determinant 1 minus this, use 1 minus r2, r1 minus 1 0, a minus b, a square minus b square, and r2 minus r3, 1 minus 1 0, b minus c, b square minus c square. Okay, third row are same, 1b b square. Okay, yes, c, this is a c, 1 c or c square, this is same. Okay, so along expanding along C1, so this row or this column finished. Okay, so multiply by corner point, this 1 into this a minus b or b square minus c square minus b minus c into a square minus b square, or you can take common a square and b minus c, a minus b and b minus c from r1 and r2. Very simple. Okay, no problem. A minus b, b minus, a minus b, b minus c or b plus c. Can factor b minus c, a minus b, a plus b. A minus b and b minus b common. A minus b minus c common, so b plus c here, minus b minus c, a minus b common, so this side minus a minus minus plus minus plus minus minus. Okay, minus b plus b cancel, c minus a minus b and b minus c and c minus a. You can apply this property, minus a minus b, a minus b, b minus b common from r1 plus r2. Right, prove. And question number 9, important question number 9, trick type question. Trick 9 x y z x square y square z square and x y z z x and xy, right, are equal to x minus y minus z, x minus y minus z minus x xy plus yz plus zx. This is the equation. taking LHS, x y z x square y square z square y z zx and xy. Using R1, this is a different type question. Okay, change, multiply and change in square form. If any case, okay, multiply by x in x type in R1, y in R2 and z R3. Okay, by R1 tends to x multiply R1 and R2 tends to y multiply R2 and R3 tends to z multiply R3. The multiply and change to divide. Okay, this is change form. This is just same but a change in this form. In multiply inside and divide by outside. This is a rule. So multiply by x, x into x, x square, x cube, xy, z. Okay, and divide by 1 upon x. Okay, and same R2 next, y square, y cube and xy, z. So this is a y, and same z, z square, z cube and xy, z. This is z. And multiply and divide. You can multiply so and already divide by outside of a determinant. This equal to 1 upon xyz. Okay, xyz, this 1 upon xyz common from C1, sorry C3. Okay, common xyz from C3, x square x cube 1, y square y cube 1, z square z cube 1. Yeah, common from C3. Take common C3. xyz cut. This change x square x cube 1, y square y cube 1, z cube 1. And rule, find x minus y. So R1 minus R2. Okay, R1 minus R2 or R3 minus R2 minus R3. Just change x minus y. This formula na. Okay, so R1 minus tends to R1 minus R2 and R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Use this formula. R1 minus R2, x square minus y square, x cube minus y cube, 1 minus 1, 0. And this y square minus z square, y cube minus z cube, or this 0. And z square, z cube, and this 1. Okay, so expanding along, so simplify this x square x minus y x plus y. Okay, and this factor x minus y, y cubic formula, x square plus y square plus xy. Okay, and 0. Same y minus z and y plus z. This y minus z and y square and z square plus yz. This 0. Okay, z square z cube, this one. Common, taking common x minus y from R1, y minus z from R2. Okay, so x minus y outside multiply, y minus z, x minus y, x plus y, and remaining x square y square plus xy. This 0, and this side y plus z and y square plus z square plus yz. 0 z square zq, and that's 1. Okay, and along C3 expanding